Yash Films and Google will co-host a one-day AI filmmaking workshop on the 4th of August at YRF Studios in Mumbai, training filmmakers, writers, editors, and cinematographers on Google Flow. One of the first times Google's Flow team has worked directly with a major studio's leadership. Well, what is of course working as far as this year's Cypher is concerned? Well, it is India's biggest AI summit and expo. It is presented by IBM. It shall take place in October of this year. The venue is KTPO Bengaluru. And I know that you're very serious about your AI and tech. So, well, I'm sure you will be at Cypher 2026. And now, back to Mumbai. Now, YRF CEO Akshay Vidhani called it a chance to make sure, and I quote, "The camera, the actor and the story remain where they've always belonged, at the center." Now, Google's Dr. Arathi Sethumadhavan called it, and I quote again, "incredible momentum for Flow in India." The Deccan Herald ran that story, so did Bollywood Hungama, the Hollywood Reporter India, Animation Express, and 4 other outlets, all carrying the same 2 quotes almost word for word. Oh, and by the way, not one of them mentioned that Google is currently being sued by Autodesk over the exact category of software, which is Yash Film is about to get hands-on training in. Interesting? Flow. Then, well, let's go ahead with the Flow. So, Flow was relaunched in February this year, merging 3 separate Google tools, Flow, Whisk, and Image FX into a single pipeline that takes an idea from text prompt to finished audio synced video without leaving one workspace. Since launch, 1.5 billion images and videos have been created inside it. Google is positioning Flow directly against Adobe Firefly and OpenAI's Sora. And here's what didn't actually make it into any of the 8 nearly identical write-ups covering this partnership. Autodesk, the company behind the visual effects and animation software much of Bollywood already runs on, has actually gone ahead and filed a suit against Google specifically over AI-powered movie-making software. Now, YRF is walking its own creative teams straight into the middle of that legal fight on the very day it's being celebrated as a landmark moment for Indian cinema. A CVL economics study reported by the Hollywood Reporter found that 1/3 of entertainment industry executives expect AI to displace 3D modelers by the end of 2026. A quarter expect the same for graphic designers and compositors. Roughly 15% flagged storyboard artists, illustrators, and animators as vulnerable in the near-term future. Now, none of that appeared anywhere in this week's coverage of the YRF Google workshop. Every article carried the same reassurance, which is filmmakers keep creative control, AI stays a storytelling companion, without actually naming who in the production chain doesn't get that same guarantee. Now compare this to what actual infrastructure building in Indian creative tech looks like. IICT in Mumbai has a permanent virtual production LED wall, 15,000 Google and YouTube scholarships, and MOUs with NVIDIA, Adobe, and Netflix. YRF and Google's initiative is one studio, one day, one venue, with no announced follow-up date, no stated participant cap, and no disclosed long-term funding commitment. It generated more coverage this week than IICT has managed all year, almost entirely because of the YRF name attached to it. And well, here comes the front page take. Now, Google gets a foothold with one of India's most influential studios and a direct line to the country's creative establishment. Yash Films gets first mover credibility in an industry still working out where it stands on AI. At the exact moment, Google is being sued by Autodesk over the same category of software. And while a CVL economics study cited by the Hollywood Reporter has already named the jobs most likely to disappear first. Now, training your own creative and production teams deliberately rather than letting AI get imposed through, well, cost-cutting decisions made without them is genuinely actually the more responsible path. It's actually a large part of what Hollywood's own strikes were fighting for. But the real test now is whether the storyboard artists and junior VFX workers, the roles which have been named as probable collateral damage to AI, will actually get a seat at that table, or just the directors standing in the room on the 4th of August. Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.